Bitcoin could see a 2.2% retracement tomorrow based on digital coin price. Let's take a second to assess the current momentum. Bitcoin has moved higher by 1.2% since yesterday and trades close to $70,427. Let's transition to the analyst section. Gov Capital Collector believes the price could move to $70,827.25 by tomorrow, which is nearly 0.6% higher. CoinCodex expects Bitcoin could approach $70,224.02, an estimated move down of 0.3%. According to Cryptonization, it might push down toward $70,016.07, a potential decrease close to 0.6%. Another forecast released by Digital Coin Price sees potential for Bitcoin to slide to $68,891.75, a projected drop of about 2.2%. To conclude, Crypto Predictions predicts $68,205.80 by February 16, a decrease of 3.2%. This forecast offers the highest potential return. That wraps up 5 expert takes. Let's go on. All 5 predictions are in. Here's what they collectively suggest. Looking at the forecast as a whole, the likely range for price movement is between a drop of 3.2% and a rise of 0.6%, depending on the analyst. In conclusion, Crypto Predictions projects the highest gain with 3.2% upward move in value by February 16. That makes it possible to bring in between $3 and $32 for every $1,000 you invest. Considering market volatility, CoinCodex's forecast has the greatest likelihood of being correct at 94.5%. Out of all 5 forecasts, I've outlined one unified consensus scenario. The outlook from combined forecasts points to Bitcoin trading near $69,632.98. Here's the full picture. Based on the consensus view, the price is expected to decrease by 1.1% by tomorrow. In that case, your capital could also rise by about 1.1%. With $1,000 at stake, the outcome might suggest around $11 in return, which adds up to a probability of about 92% for the consensus forecast to hold true. To continue, let's look at the market's short-term path for the 3-day horizon, according to analysts. Gov Capital Collector highlights that Bitcoin is on an upward path. The forecast from CoinCodex also points to a push higher for Bitcoin. Cryptonization signals a steady decline. Additionally, Digital Coin Price highlights a bearish short-term picture. Crypto Predictions describes the market as neutral, with only marginal moves anticipated. Consensus estimates show Bitcoin is set to stay flat, with minimal changes expected. So, 60% of analysts forecast that Bitcoin may decline over the next 3 days. 5 forecasts for tomorrow were published 2 days ago. Tomorrow has come and gone, so here's how they performed. In the end, trading settled at $69,826.20. The trend showed that the majority had the right forecast about the direction. Leading in accuracy was Traders Union. Let's go deeper into how it played out. The daily move matched 2 forecasts. And about ROI, a few profitable results appeared, with the top one at 4.9%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. In today's review, 30 rates presented 71.7% forecast probability, $5,476.20 accuracy, and a return of minus 4.3%. See if you can tell who had the strongest prediction this time. Here's how the income expectations for tomorrow look across multiple assets including Bitcoin. Bitcoin is not the leader today as the highest forecasted profitability belongs to Zcash with 842.4%. For now, this view includes Bitcoin and 4 random cryptocurrencies. A wider profitability overview and complete analyst stats will soon appear on my website and Telegram. Before you go, hit subscribe to stay on top of all the new analyst forecasts. That's all. See you soon.